You're probably looking up this YouTube video to see what it can take. We are gonna throw as much as we possibly can at this level 4 plate. Let's do it. And because we're not attention whores and not willing to put our life on the line for the sake of your entertainment,
Safety on. Remember, safety's within our top 10.
instead of squishy bodies seeing what trauma it will endure, we put a honeydew melon behind the body armor.
What do we got first? Banana. PBR. Think the armor's scared? Or is it just chicken?
Wow, that actually went point in.
It's good, you didn't screw that up at all.
If you saw my previous YouTube videos where I tested the top selling stun batons, this is one of the top sellers. So let's see, 1, 2, 3.
Shocking.
All right, little Enter the Dragon style here. Here we go. I even chucked him at it.
This little machete right here is from Nicaragua. Let's see if you get the point.
Wait.
Wow. Let's try that
If
again.
that was his belly button, he'd be dead.
Oh, hey, we found a flaw. Oh, that was the point right on.
That was good.
Oh, some of the integrity of the aesthetics on the outside. I don't feel any damage underneath though. And for our French demographic out there, yeah!
The gloves are off now.
Do you want me to prompt you this time and ask you a question?
There we go.
Yeah, we tore a little bit down here. All right.
So far, our little melon's doing fine. Let's ice him. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, a little bit of aesthetics damage on the front, but so far, I don't feel any kind of damage whatsoever on the plate underneath.
All right, here we go.
Very nice. Way to go, Katniss! The only thing that's stuck!
Are you blown away?
Didn't penetrate, but it did stick.
Let's see what happened. Oh, we have our first bit of distress. And looks like a bit of rubber is starting to peel away. And you see a little bit of the bullet in there. And the back looks beautiful. We got 380 auto defense rounds. Cold. Right up there. Wow, that is barely anything. And our honeydew melon is intact.
Very nice, taking it easy. You don't want to go about rushing things.
No.
Here's a 7.62, and you can see that it did put quite a divot and barely even any bulge on the back side. Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum. So we just discovered that 357 Magnum round actually found the exact same hole of that 7.62 from the AK47, and yet still, it did not penetrate. Where'd my Barney Fife bullet go? This is literally the last round of 223 that I have in my house because I refuse to be a panic buyer. 5.56, 223 from an assault rifle. Oh, I think that just destroyed our little honeydew melon.
Did it go through?
Yeah. So it went to the left and oh, there we go.
I found the weak spot there, huh?
After multiple hits on that one spot that also the 357 Magnum went through and also our 7.62, and then I just put a 223 through that exact same spot, and finally it got through and it obliterated Mr. Honeydew.
Told him to get shot. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, how are you gauging the situation?
And did not actually go through.
Much less, I can't imagine the honeydew receiving this on the other end.
Oh, give it to the honeydew. Safe, range cold.
Oh, look at the attractive stippling. Where? Oh, did you hit the same spot that we've been hitting every single time?
At least we're consistent.
All right. You guys are gonna watch the damage with us. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you know what? There's a bit more of a bulge, but the exit wound from our previous assault rifle did not actually get any bigger. That's really interesting.
And I almost wonder if the slug's here. Yeah, I can actually feel it right through there. Oh, that's crazy.
Now we do have a bonus, but first let's land the plane on this thing. So far, it has not just passed, it has exceeded our test because we shot multiple rounds into one localized section. And finally, on the third round using the 223, it finally punched right through. So, moral of the story is, if you're gonna wear this, try not to get shot in the same place. Let's just obliterate this thing with a little Russian charm, shall we?
Порвали на куски, размолотили в хлам и добивая объясняли стонущим врагам. Запомните загадочный тактический прием. Когда мы отступаем, это мы вперед идем. Вместе с холодами и лесами. Впереди Сусанин.
Well, he was here a moment ago.
Wow.
Remarkable.
Is that fiberglass? That is incredible stuff. And yeah. We got some exit wounds there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is A okay?